In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your subscriber list on YouTube. We will walk through the desktop experience step by step, so you can quickly find who has subscribed to your channel and view that list over the entire lifetime of your channel. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to YouTube Studio. This is the creator dashboard where you manage everything about your channel. If you are on YouTube's homepage, you can get there by selecting your profile picture in the top right and choosing YouTube Studio. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account that manages the channel you want to check. Once you are in YouTube Studio, you will land on the dashboard. This page has several cards that summarize your most important channel information. Scroll down until you see the card labeled Recent Subscribers. The layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size, so keep scrolling if you don't spot it immediately. If you don't have any subscribers yet, you won't see this card populated. That's expected. And as your channel starts gaining subscribers, the card will appear with data. Also keep in mind that YouTube only shows subscribers who have chosen to keep their subscriptions public. If someone has their subscriptions set to private, they won't appear on this list, even if they're subscribed to you. On the Recent Subscribers card, click See All to expand the list. This opens a more detailed view where you can browse the subscribers that YouTube can display, typically including their channel name and when they subscribed. By default, this view might show a recent time window such as the last 28 days. To view everyone from the beginning, look to the top right of this page for the date range dropdown. Click it and select Lifetime. This changes the list to include all available subscribers across the full history of your channel, not just the recent period. Give it a moment to load if your channel has a lot of history. That's the complete process. Checking this occasionally can help you understand your audience better and see growth over time. Remember, the list reflects only subscribers with public settings, so the total here may be lower than your overall subscriber count. Thanks for watching.